Jess?
Ty?
What are you guys doing here?
I was checking up on Jimmy, an old client of mine.
And La Katrina wanted a rematch.
This girl from League 73 called me.
Set up.
Navarro. Divide and conquer, you know the drill.
Aye, aye.
Copy that.
Whoa, whoa! What the hell?
Mac, what's going on?
Wait. Okay, I'm good, but the police chopper got a floodlight on me and I started losing control of my car.
You good?
Yeah, I stuck down to an overpass. Looks like that stopped it. Careful, guys. What's that spotlight?
Guys, whatever happened to Mac was coming from the chopper. Stay the hell away from it.
Northbound approaching Silverrock.
Damn it!
Jess?
Sorry, I'm okay. Just made it through a barricade. Close one.
Air 7 to control. I've got a beam on one of the subject vehicles. Initiating SKYHAMMER.
Damn it, the chopper's on me now and he's messing with my car. I gotta get out of that spotlight.
Get to the roundabout by the construction yard. I'll catch you there. Hurry up, Clyde. That chopper's gonna shut you down.
Come on, come on.
At the construction yard. I got you.
Anytime now, Mac. Mac? Car's down. Mac?
Hey, ugly! Over here!
Best online. Getting out of here. I owe you one, Mac.
Executive decision. We need to get out of the city. The cops aren't playing games anymore.
You're right. We got a bolt.
I'm headed down the spillway. Chopper won't be crazy enough to follow me, will he?
Air 7, why aren't you following that car?
No camping. Spillway's too narrow from a blaze.
Shame. I'll have to call up the police chief, see if he can get me someone actually qualified.
No, I can handle it, man.
That's what I thought.
Navarro?
Are you really not surprised?
She's pulling the strings, then get ready for this to get real ugly.
Still switching the target vehicle.
He's on me. Plan? Anyone?
There's an overpass at the end of the drain. Meet me there.
You got it, sis.
Attempting ground. Control just collided with the subject.
Can't take this much longer. Gotta get to Jess.
Attempting ground maneuver.
Come on, come on!
You're almost there.
Coming in hot. I'm clear. Jess?
Watch and learn, boys. See ya!
There. Should give you some breathing room.
Hyperventilating count as breathing?
Meet you outside the city and stay safe.
We're way past safe. It's like the entire goddamn force is out for blood tonight. You'd think we were criminals or something.
Jess,
I mean real criminals. You kidding me? Chopper's back. At least I gave it a good beating.
Don't let it get too...
I know. One good hill'll take it out.
Now heading eastbound on Coon Street.
All right, copy.
Jesus, guys. Damn it, they got Lakeside on lockdown too. I'll try to lose them in the alleys.
at least the chopper can't follow you there.
Even the gambler wouldn't bet on that.
Air 7, you're out of excuses. We'll stay on that car.
But man,
The house will be watching. You don't follow that car, you better find a different city to live in. Visual range. We'll try to catch up ahead.
subject vehicle still going at high speeds after hitting barricades.
Jesus, this guy's insane.
Let me guess. He followed you into the alleyway.
But he won't get a beat on me.
Subject now northbound on Coolidge Street.
Copy.
On the Beltway, where are you guys?
Heading south.
Same here.
New game plan. Let's wreak havoc and block our escape point.
Let's do it.
Subject is west.
What are you gonna do? Arrest me?
Get ready, guys. Feels like I got half of the Silver Rock police force on me.
I'll bring in the other half.
And I got the chopper. You boys ready for some fun?
This is more like it. Duking it out as a crew.
If we go down together.
No way. We're getting out of here.
Fuel switching suspect vehicle.
Jess, updated plan, please.
Tunnel's coming up. It'll break line of sight with a chopper. Then we make a break for the desert.
Do not lose them or it's your head.
She's not going anywhere.
Out of here.